Looking for websites that pays you a lot? Here are 10 most exciting websites. 10 websites that pay you a lot of money. Everyone is looking for ways to make a little extra money in this fast-paced world. 2. Fiverr. With over 200 different categories to choose from, Fiverr offers a wide range of opportunities for freelancers to earn money doing what they love. 3. Textbroker, websites that pay you a lot of money. Whether you're an experienced writer or just starting out, Textbroker offers a flexible way to earn money online by doing what you love. 4. UserTesting. 5. Survey Junkie. 6. Swagbucks, websites that pay you a lot of money. Numerous opportunities for earning money. Swagbucks is a great option for people who enjoy a variety of activities because it offers a variety of ways to earn money, such as taking surveys and shopping online. Simple to use, the Swagbucks website is great for people who are new to making money online because it is simple to use and navigate. 7. InboxDollars. InboxDollars, a website that pays you a lot of money. InboxDollars is a website that pays you for completing simple online tasks such as taking surveys, reading emails, and watching videos. Cash rewards. InboxDollars pays you in cash, not points, making it easier to keep track of your earnings. 8. American Consumer Opinion. Chances are limited, you might not always be able to participate in surveys. 9. Hiving. 10. Pinecone Research. High rewards. Pinecone Research is a great option for people who want to make a lot of money because it pays users a premium for taking surveys. Only by invitation. Since Pinecone Research only accepts invitations, acceptance can be competitive. Thanks for watching.